You've waited weeks. Your tomato plants look healthy. The fruit is large. Everything seems perfect, but there's one problem. Your tomatoes are still green. If you've ever walked into your garden wondering why your tomatoes refuse to turn red, you're not alone. Many gardeners assume something is wrong when tomatoes stay green for too long. But the truth is, there are several reasons this happens, and most of them are easy to fix. In this video, we'll cover the most common reasons tomatoes fail to ripen and what you can do to speed up the process. Let's get started. Reason 1. They may not be ready yet. This sounds obvious, but it's the most common reason. Many gardeners underestimate how long ripening actually takes. After a tomato reaches its full size, it often needs several more weeks before changing color. Depending on the variety, weather conditions, and growing environment, ripening can take longer than expected. Large varieties like beefsteak tomatoes generally take longer than smaller cherry tomatoes. The best solution? Patience. If the fruit is healthy and growing normally, it may simply need more time. Reason 2. Too much heat. Many people think tomatoes love extreme heat. They do not. Tomatoes grow well in warm conditions, but when temperatures consistently rise above 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, ripening slows down. Why? Because the pigments responsible for red color production stop developing efficiently during excessive heat. As a result, tomatoes may remain green, pale, or partially colored. Fix. Mulch around plants. Water consistently and provide afternoon shade during heat waves. Sometimes cooler weather is all that's needed for ripening to resume. Reason 3. Too much nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for growth, but too much of it can cause problems. When tomato plants receive excessive nitrogen, they focus on producing leaves and stems instead of ripening fruit. Signs include extremely lush growth, dark green leaves, and delayed fruit ripening. Fix. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers once fruit begins developing. Switch to a fertilizer designed for flowering and fruit production. Reason 4. Lack of sunlight. Tomatoes need sunlight to produce energy. Without enough sunlight, ripening slows dramatically. Tomatoes generally need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight, ideally 8 or more hours daily. Plants growing in shade often produce slower ripening fruit. Fix. Trim surrounding vegetation when possible. Relocate containers. And choose sunnier planting locations next season. Reason 5. Too many fruits on the plant. Sometimes success creates another problem. A heavily loaded tomato plant may struggle to ripen all its fruit at the same speed. The plant is dividing energy among dozens of tomatoes. Fix. Harvest mature tomatoes showing the first signs of color change. This can encourage the remaining fruit to continue ripening. Reason 6. Stress from inconsistent watering. Tomatoes prefer consistency. When plants alternate between extremely dry conditions and overly wet conditions, stress can slow ripening. The plant shifts energy toward survival instead of fruit development. Fix. Maintain even soil moisture. Deep watering and mulch can help stabilize conditions. Reason 7. End of season conditions. As the growing season changes, tomatoes naturally slow down. Shorter days, cooler temperatures, reduced sunlight. All of these factors affect ripening speed. This is especially common later in the season. Fix. Harvest mature green tomatoes before frost. Many will continue ripening indoors. Place them in a paper bag with a banana or apple to encourage ripening. Bonus tip. The breaker stage. Many gardeners don't realize tomatoes don't need to fully ripen on the vine. Once a tomato reaches the breaker stage, the point where the first hint of color appears, it can often finish ripening indoors without losing much quality. This helps protect fruit from pests, cracking in extreme weather while still achieving excellent flavor. If your tomatoes aren't turning red, don't panic. In most cases, the problem is one of the factors we discussed today. Thanks for watching. How long have your tomatoes been staying green? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.